Hello friends, today in this video I am going to cover how you can make a simple drop shadow animation. As you can see this example, I have put the image in the center and having a border of 2 pixels. You have to notice two things here. That first one is that the color of the border is continuously changing, which create this more attractive than the other day. Second thing is that I have used the filter blur so that there have been an outglow when the color changes, as you can see it in this example. So let's code it. Before coding it, if you need any improvement in this video, please comment it down and let's code it. For coding this, you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder named drop shadow. As you can see this, when I click to this, there have been an image named male models none, and there have been index.html for our markup, and there have been style.css for styling our markup. So let's open with the code editor. I have used VS Code. So as you can see, I have written the basic syntax of HTML and CSS, where I have used HTML tag, head tag and body tag. As you can see, the most important part, I have linked the CSS file here. I have three things: index.html for the markup, and there have been an image for using, and then third one is the style.css for styling our markup. Here in the style.css, I have used Google Fonts for making my web page more attractive. As you can see, this is an optional. You can put it down if you need it. Here in the body section, I have some styling. Here I have used the font family Poppins, and here margin is 0, padding is again 0, and the background is black. So create a div of class shadow. Let's copy this shadow and paste it to the style.css, and putting the width will be 450 pixel and the height will be 250 pixel, so that it will be small. And then uh, going with the live server, and here it is the output that the screen was black, and putting the position will be relative means normal, and background will be URL, the image that you have to put of your own choice. Here I will putting the margin from top will be 100 and left and right will be equal, auto and 0. Then coming to the other part, here I will put the background size will be cover, so that it will cover all the area. Here dot shadow before pseudo clause before using. Here I will the content will be none, and the width will be 100%, and the height will be 100% also. Then I will create the position will be absolute, top will be 0 and left again 0, so that it will contain all the thing from the top left corner. Here the background will be the linear gradient from 45 degree. So background will be linear gradient 45 degree. Here is the code of the color in the hexadecimal. Here I have put it the neon color so that it will be more attractive. Here you have to just main is the 5 colors, then you have to copy it down. Here you can see, now I am using the background size will be 400%. 400% means 400 or 800 in the multiple of twice. Here the z index will be -1, so that it will be hidden behind the image. So creating the border effect, here -2 pixel means top left border. So as you can see this, here I will change this width and height. Calculation function equal 100% plus 4 pixel. 4 pixel means 2 pixel from left, 2 pixel from right, 2 pixel from top and 2 pixel from bottom. So as you can see this, here I will create a simple animation. It will be from name animate for 20 seconds, and it will be ease. Here infinity, you can put it any duration, ease or ease in out, according to your choice or according to your requirement. Here at the keyframe we will creating the animate from 0%. The background position will be 0 0, so that initially the color will at his original position. Here at the 50%, the background position will be that I put it in the before pseudo class 400%. As you can see this, the color have been changing around the image. Here copy this, and here dot comma and pseudo class will be changed from before to after. Copy this shadow before after and put it down here. Write that the filter uses blur 10 pixels so that the color will look more attractive. As you can see, I have full the images. This is the example. If you like this video, please comment it down.